Hey guys, Miss Minnie here, and today I'm posting my very first video on my channel. Today I decided to create a speed build for the 100 baby challenge that I'll be doing. If you guys like this idea, please leave a comment down below and I hope you enjoy. P.S. I'm not a very good builder, so please do not judge. So guys, this is the end of the build. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. This speed build, just adding a few little extra things here at the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of this series, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!